Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the watch has power and is near your phone so Bluetooth stays stable. Open the Fitbit app and sign in. This links your device settings. Once done, make sure Bluetooth, location, and notification permissions are enabled so the app can communicate and sync reliably. Now, tap the profile icon and select your device to access clock settings. This is the control center for time options. Proceed to the device settings. The next step adjusts time sources and form. You'll decide whether the watch follows your phone's time or uses a manual override. Automatic is simpler and prevents drift when you travel. In the device clock settings, select 12-hour or 24-hour format and confirm the correct time zone. This prevents offset errors. If you pick manual, enter hours and minutes precisely. Then, trigger a sync from the app. Tap Sync now so changes are pushed immediately. Make sure the watch screen shows the new time. If not, repeat the sync step. You finish by verifying the watch face displays the correct time and waiting through a full sync cycle to lock changes. If the time still isn't right, restart the watch and your phone. This clears temporary Bluetooth or cache issues. If that fails, unpair and repair the device, but only after you've ensured account details and any unsynced data are safe, because repairing resets device settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check phone time and time zone. The watch often inherits those settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.